This is, without question, the best ceramic pan on the market.
We were set out to take ceramic coating to the next level.
But to really understand why this is so great and why we're so excited about releasing it, we should talk about our stainless clad cookware first. We are staying true to made-in manufacturing and craftsmanship. We're doing best-in-class clad cookware, perfect for heat conductivity, heat retention, durability. Our made-in handle, which is hollow in the middle sections, which dissipate heat. We're taking the best-in-class clad body and doing a new state-of-the-art ceramic coating on top of it. So you're really getting the performance of a multi-clad skillet with a ceramic nonstick coating.
Making a new product here in the States that was new to market was actually really hard. We really had to work with our partners here to figure out how to apply ceramic coating and do so on a best-in-class substrate in order to make this product that the market really hasn't seen before.
A lot of the other pans in the market, you can't put it in the oven. You gotta be careful with induction. There's aluminum on the outside that's gonna dent and scratch, but then they wrap it with colors, so it's hidden. It's gonna warp, it's not gonna hold heat evenly. This can do it all. At the end of the day, it's the same pan that's gotten us into thousands of restaurants, that's earned our spot with the best chefs in the world, and the pan that really put us on the map. We started with American manufacturing. We come from a fourth-generation American food service family business. We like to be on the line when these products are made. We like to see the production process
and make it in a way in which we would be proud to give it to any cook or chef using our product. CeramiClad cookware was one that we've been working on for a very long time and knew we were going to bring to market at a made-in caliber product.
And giving you something that's going to hold up in your kitchen, that's going to perform the way you want a nonstick to perform. We would put this up to any test, and we're really proud about the durability and performance of this ceramic fry pan.